There's no escape.
The National Weather Service in Phoenix has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Maricopa County in south central Arizona until 11 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. At 10:25 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Luke Air Force Base, 47 miles southwest of Waddell, moving southeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Glendale, Avondale, Goodyear, Buckeye, Tolleson, Cashin, Litchfield Park, Perryville, Luke Air Force Base, Liberty, and White Tank Mountain Park.
That lighting is pretty
This
close.
includes the following highways: Arizona Interstate 10 between mile markers 115 and 134. Arizona Route 101 near mile marker 2. Arizona Route 303 between mile markers 105 and 114. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail, damaging wind, and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning are occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11 p.m. Mountain Standard Time for the following county: Maricopa, Arizona. Strong thunderstorms will impact Maricopa.
I'm gonna go outside. Oh yeah, the rain's picking up. Alright, why am I just standing here? Alright, let's see what's going on. Rain. It's really humid out here. I don't know why my camera is all fogged up. It's kind of windy and there's rain. Oh my gosh. Yo, it's starting to... The wind's pushing it back. Whoa. She made a banging sound over there. Yeah, at least all the pigeon crap that's on the roof is gonna get cleaned off. Holy crap. Yeah, that definitely picked up. The gutter's doing its job, that's nice. That's not even a gutter. Whoa! Just pushing it. Holy crap. Wind gust. Dude, that is... Wow. Rain is really hitting right now. Dude, it is pushing. Holy crap! It's pushing the trees so hard. I'm getting hit with a bunch of mist. Holy crap. Whoa. Jeez. Oh, I'm getting hit with water right now. Jeez. Holy crap, dude. Oh. Oh yeah, that was right above me. Dude, oh my god. Wow. Whoa. Gotta dry off my camera with a lens. Yeah, so this stuff you're seeing, those aren't bugs, that's mist. Ton of mist. Shivering right now. Kind of cold. Whoa, wind gust. Oh yeah. Holy crap. Holy. Lord have mercy. Dude. Oh my god. Jeez, dude. These gusts are crazy. Now, should I be out here? Yes, I should be out here. Yeah, so the patio's kind of flooded right now. Over there. I've off the camera again. Alright, I'm gonna go inside and check if I missed anything on the radios. Alright, nothing happened. Oh, I'm kinda cold. I'll go back out there. Oh, you wanna go outside? Go. Yeah, you changed your mind, huh? Yeah, it's just really heavy rain. I'm getting splashed all the way from here. Alright. I'm just gonna go back inside now. I think the best part is over.